This application is an immensely popular survival game that immerses players in a post-apocalyptic world overrun by zombies and other dangers. Set in an expansive open world, it invites players to explore abandoned cities, rural landscapes, and urban environments, all while scavenging for essential resources like food, weapons, and medical supplies. The gameplay focuses heavily on survival mechanics, where players must manage their health, hunger, and resources to stay alive. Crafting plays a crucial role, allowing players to create tools and items that can aid in exploration and combat. As players venture into the world, they encounter not only the undead, but also other players, leading to tense interactions that can either result in alliances or fierce confrontations. Regular updates keep the game fresh, introducing new content, features, and bug fixes. This helps maintain an active community of players who share tips, strategies, and stories from their adventures. Overall, it offers an engaging mix of action, strategy, and exploration, making it a standout choice for fans of the survival genre on Android devices.